In front of me is Motorola Razr 2025, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use voice typing. Begin by launching your keyboard and tapping on this microphone at the top right corner. Then hit while using the app in the pop-up and start typing. As you can see, voice typing is on. If you want to stop, you can pause or click on the same microphone. You can also tap on a tiny icon right next to it. And this way, use voice typing from this bar. You can even hold it and drag it to place it wherever you want to and however you want to. To delete your text on the go, you can click on this button with an X. If you want to manage keyboard settings, use those three lines on the left. And to go back to standard keyboard, hit this keyboard icon. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!